Hi folks, Rich Moyer. I want to just do a quick demo here. Well, it's not going to be real quick. There's a few steps involved, but I want to show you how to take a template from reducethehype.com and make a really cool capture page out of it using BuildABizOnline. Now, Martin Chandler is a genius when it comes to these things. He has dozens and dozens of templates out there you can use. And I just want to give you a Halloween demo. It's very close to Halloween, so it's real easy to make a page. If you come down here, you see he has a download for you. So you can download the zip file. Click that, and it'll download to your hard drive. And there it is. So I'm going to open that up and unzip it, extract all. So let's extract all here and put it in the same place. Now, there's several squeeze pages here that you can use. What I recommend is you use this one, and you're going to have to take your background. That's the first thing you're going to have to do is go into BuildABizOnline. Now, in BuildABizOnline, in your Pro Member Tools, let's get down here and take a look at it. All the way down the bottom here, you're going to have free image hosting. And when I click that, that brings me up here to my image hosting page. Okay, I'm going to go into images, actually home. I go into home and come down here to drag and drop file. So I got to select a file. And what I'm going to do is go to where I downloaded it here. So we're going to go into downloads. And it's going to take a second because it's let me find where it got put here. Pause for a second. Here it is. So in downloads, I had a Squeeze Halloween. It's a zip file. So when I click it, I come up here to extract all, and that'll put it into a regular file. So let me go back to where I was here. That's going to be Squeeze Halloween zip. Now I have to take this background file and put it up on my image hosting. All right, because it won't be able to find it otherwise. So it can't be on your hard drive. It's got to be somewhere that's addressable on the web. So what I do is I'll take this file, and I'm coming up here to here on BuildABizOnline image storage. I'm going to select that file. Let's see. Let's go back to. I can drag and drop that file right here. So let's take that and just drag it right over here. It's going to copy it and bring it in here, and the upload's complete. So now to get the link for this, it's going to give you all kinds of information here, but really the easiest way to find that is go into your images, and it's going to show it right here. Now that's something we're going to keep here for now, because we're going to come back here. Now the next thing we're going to do is to create a splash page. All right, we're going to go into our simple splash page builder. Click right here. At the very bottom, we're going to create a Halloween page. Call it Halloween Capture, and save it. And when it does save it, first thing you got to do is come down to the bottom, and it's going to ask you to choose a template. Well, the template we're going to choose is all the way down here at the bottom, blank template. Okay, you just update the template, and then down the bottom, again, it's going to say, all right, click here to edit your splash page. All right, well, the first thing I'm going to do is just come in here and put the title. So I don't forget it. Copy that, and paste it here and here. Okay. Now, I like this screen to be full screen so I can see what I'm doing. And we're going to have to do some stuff here with HTML. And I'll show you how to do that. So we're going to first expand our screen so we have this whole canvas to play with. Now, you see where I had downloaded this before? We're going to come over here and we're going to see the Squeeze HTML, Squeeze Halloween HTML. All right, double click that, and that should open in a notepad. What I want you to do is just do a Control A for select all, and copy Control C. All right, and we're going to come over here to our BuildABizOnline, and we're going to go into source mode, and we're just going to paste that in there. Okay. Now you're going to have to look for the background file. And these are pretty standard, by the way. There's some things you're going to need to update in here, but I'll show you how to do those. So let's look at where it says the background file is. It's usually towards the top, but we're going to look for that. Actually, it's called background, so we can just do a file for it. Find background. All right. Oh, here it is. Background.jpg. All right. So this is what we're going to replace right here. This one file name. We come over here to our BuildABizOnline image storage and right click the image in our image storage. We're going to copy the image address. Then you come back over here and you just replace this with that file, with that URL. Okay, that really should be all you need, but I'm going to come down here just to check it. Yeah, there's no other places where that file name appears, so that's good. So now we can go back to our source, click the source and go back to the regular page. Now you have something that's editable. Okay, you can change your header, your main text, subtext. You're going to need to go in and put your autoresponder form code in here. Now that's a little more difficult to do if you don't have that information handy. We're actually going to go into our I'm going to go into my autoresponder here at BuildABizOnline right here, and I'm going to go into my campaigns. And you see this one? This was one that I created for just general BuildABizOnline information. I'm going to get my, right here, click HTML form code. You see it's going to get this. This is what I highlight, do Control A, Control C. Back over here, we're going to go back into source code mode. And it's going to tell us down here, between the form, you see here's form here and the form here. What you need to do is just copy, highlight all of that, do Control V to paste your form code in from your autoresponder. And when I come in, that'll be all set up now to put whoever signs up here into my autoresponder campaign. Now, what's this look like? Well, let's just get back out of here. We're going to shrink it and then save it. And just to show you what this looks like, let's come down the bottom, and I'm going to click here. It's going to, this is what it's going to look like. So really, all you have to do is update this information in the template, and you got it. You got a ready-made Halloween-themed capture page that you can use for anything at all. It's really that simple. Here is the URL that you're going to promote with this. Okay, so you just grab that and put some ad copy on the front of it, and get out there and post, create some subject lines and ad copy. I like to use the AI engines for that. But you just create a little ad copy and some subject lines, and you can begin posting this right away and start to build your list by putting people onto your autoresponder campaign. Thanks a lot. This is Rich Moyer. I hope this demo was useful. Any questions? You check the URL in the comments. That will take you to my BuildABizOnline URL, affiliate URL, where you can join if you're not already a member. They have a $1 14-day trial going on right now. Now, you can't use the autoresponder for it. That's the only thing you won't be able to use, but you'll have access to all the pro tools. I guarantee once you start using these things, you're going to get addicted. And combine that with all the rich content that Martin Chandler has out there on reducethehype.com. You have just an incredible resource here that you can use to build capture pages and be a unique person out there when you're promoting here. You want to have your own unique pages. You don't want to promote everything that everybody else is. Thanks a lot, Rich Moyer. Happy Halloween.